hears it and takes it, and modulates its song in joy, and often admires its mate. When the brooks are clear and the meadows gentle, because of the happiness that reigns over them, a great joy dwells in my heart. I long for a friendship, since I don't know of a worthier joy than this, which would suit me if she gave me a present of love. Her shape is full, delicate and gentle, without anything to mar it, and her good love has a good taste. I am concerned about this love, whether I am awake or sleeping, for there I have a marvelous joy, because I joyfully enjoy her joy. But her beauty comes to no avail, because no friend teaches me how to taste of her. I am so gripped by this love that when I run towards her, I feel like I am walking backwards, and like she is fleeing from me. And my horse keeps so slow a pace that I think I'll never reach her unless she wants to wait for me. Love, I leave you happily, since I pursue something better, and I flee towards such an adventure that my heart already rejoices in it. However, because of my good warrantor, who wants me, calls me and condescends, I must split my desire. How he could be valiant or achieve salvation, since I believe, as far as I know, that only he who is taught by Jesus can be sure of his schooling.